You, Sam, has the snow picked up again?
Still dealing with snow. Lake effect always sticks around a little bit longer than the models indicate, a little bit longer than we want it to, right? It's kind of worn out its welcome. I think it's been snowing at least somewhere in our viewing area for several days. Still coming down out there. We're actually getting a little connection off of Lake Michigan tonight, so helping to fuel that lake effect. It's very steady in central Medina County right now. I would love to know what you're seeing if you're in this area. You can tweet me at Sam Roberts WX, same handle on Facebook, on Blue Sky, or you can email me sroberts@WOIO.com. This is really heavy northern Summit County, just actually off to the west of Akron. We have a burst of heavy snow there. A lot of this has moved inland, so it's kind of trying to move away from the lakeshore, but even around the lakeshore of Lorain County and out towards Erie County, we are tracking some snow there. So over the next few hours, plan for scattered lake effect snow. It will impact travel where squalls set up and are persistent. But I think by 9:30, 10 o'clock, a lot of this should shift east of I-77, but that will impact travel across Lake Ashtabula and Geauga counties, especially Ashtabula County. Overnight, bitterly cold, our wind chills in the teens. Cold start to our day tomorrow with the lake effect snow ongoing east of Cleveland overnight. So will things improve for the weekend? I think we need and deserve a break. We'll talk about that coming up in my first alert forecast.
Yeah.
More snow. It will not stop. The lake effect machine can be tough to turn off. I mean, lake temperatures are slightly above average. They've been above average since the summer. So, you know, we're going to have trouble shutting this off, I think, really until sometime tomorrow. Although the snow showers will get progressively less widespread over the next 24 hours. 26 right now in Cleveland, but you factor in the wind. It feels like it's 16 outside. Feels like 10 right now in Akron. And of course, we have these snow showers to accompany the cold. This has taken on more of a scattered appearance. So, you know, earlier in the week and over the weekend, we had all that lake effect and it was like just in a couple of spots. This is much more scattered across the area, which is not always a good thing because it means if you're driving a long distance, you know, the conditions can rapidly change. If you were to drive from Elyria to Cleveland, you're not going to run into much snow, but Elyria to Medina, Akron, you just be in and out of whiteout conditions. So that's kind of what we're seeing right now. It's pretty steady, actually, just west of Akron into Medina County, and then just west of Medina, we're tracking some steadier snow there as well. 71, yeah, you're going to run into at least a little snow, but again, it is a little bit heavier just to east of 71 in Medina County. Cuyahoga County, just flurries right now. But again, and I've been mentioning this, I don't think we're totally done with the snow just yet. Over the next few hours, though, it should begin to shift out east. I think we'll still run into some travel headaches. The worst of the weather tonight will be out in Erie County, but unfortunately, Erie County is very close to our area. So if you're in Ashtabula County, Conneaut, Kingsville, North Kingsville, even Ashtabula, I still think we're seeing scattered snow showers overnight. This may even move into Geauga, Lake County, impactful squalls overnight, brief whiteout conditions, kind of similar to what we've been dealing with really all throughout the day. This is Future View at about 5 o'clock in the morning, even down into Ravenna. We could still be seeing some lake effect at that hour. In terms of total accumulation, obviously not a ton of snow outside of the primary snow belt, but out in Ashtabula, if we get that big squall that the models keep indicating, and it's going to be feeding, by the way, off Lake Huron and Lake Erie, we could see 3 to 6 inches plus out there. Solon down to Ravenna, I'm thinking 3 to 6 here as well. Maybe some isolated higher totals if we get a good band going overnight. Tomorrow, I think, will be a much easier weather day. We're still going to have scattered showers. No, we wish. It's not that warm. Scattered snow showers out there. That's a tongue twister. But it's not going to be snowing constantly like it did for many of us today. Big thing tomorrow, just cold. We're going to be in the 20s, but it will feel like it's down in the teens. Now, we're going to finally warm it up for the upcoming weekend. Are you over it yet?